Today we are diving into two American penny stocks that have the potential to make you rich in the coming months. These are not random picks or speculative bets. These are companies that have actual business models, solid financial trends, impressive recent developments, and are beginning to earn recognition from analysts and institutional players. These stocks can turn a small investment into a massive profit, offering gains of 100%, 200%, or even more. If you're serious about making money in the stock market, especially in 2025, you need to start paying close attention to these names. So make sure to watch till the end, and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market. The first on our list is Clover Health Investments, Corp., which trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol CLOV. Clover Health is a health tech company that is disrupting how seniors receive medical care through the Medicare Advantage program. At its core, Clover Health is using data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence to improve outcomes and lower costs for senior patients. Its platform collects vast amounts of healthcare data and uses real-time AI tools to help doctors make smarter decisions, catch complications earlier, and ensure patients receive timely, efficient care. This isn't just a software company. It's a healthcare revolution that's gaining momentum. On July 9th, Clover Health made headlines when it announced a brand new pharmacy pilot program in New Jersey. This initiative is being launched in partnership with IPC Digital Health, a company that connects independent community pharmacies. This program is designed to help seniors, especially those with chronic conditions, manage their prescriptions better. The local pharmacies in the iCare Plus network, many of whom already have deep roots in their communities, will be the cornerstone of this initiative. What makes this partnership innovative is that these pharmacies will be equipped with virtual tools and real-time data, powered by Clover's proprietary platform. They'll be able to see if patients have filled their prescriptions and detect if they've missed a dose. If something is off, pharmacists can work directly with doctors and care teams to ensure that seniors get the right medication at the right time. Financially, Clover Health is showing signs of a strong turnaround. The company reported a 30% increase year-over-year in Medicare Advantage membership, a very impressive growth rate in a highly competitive and regulated space. Total revenue grew by 33% year-over-year, reflecting strong enrollment, better care coordination, and solid operational execution. One of the standout metrics was adjusted EBITDA, which increased by 279% year-over-year, indicating Clover is making huge strides in profitability and efficiency. Even more impressive, adjusted net income grew 322%, showing that the company is getting much closer to full profitability. Their insurance revenue came in at $457 million, which is a 34% increase compared to the same quarter last year. The company has also been aggressively managing its costs. Adjusted SG&A, which includes sales, general, and administrative expenses, dropped to just 18% of revenue, a 360 basis point improvement from the previous year. Their GAAP net loss also narrowed significantly, improving by $18 million to just a $1 million loss. This is a company that's stabilizing financially and building momentum. On top of that, they're sitting on $391 million in cash equivalents, and investments, giving them a strong liquidity buffer to weather market conditions and invest in new growth initiatives. The market is beginning to take notice, too. Three Wall Street analysts have issued 12-month price targets for CLOV in recent months, with the average target at $4.75, the high at $6, and the low at $3.75. With the stock currently trading around $3.11, that average target represents a potential upside of over 52%, and the high-end target of $6 represents a near doubling of your money. And considering the positive momentum, improving financials, and the company's unique healthcare model, there's a strong case that Clover could go even higher. Now let's talk about the second stock on our list, Bit Digital Incorporated, trading under the symbol BIT. Bit Digital is rapidly evolving from a blockchain mining company into a diversified tech infrastructure provider focused on AI, high-performance computing, and GPU cloud services. This transformation puts them in the center of two of the most disruptive technological revolutions happening right now: digital assets and artificial intelligence. On July 16th, Bit Digital revealed a massive catalyst. Its wholly owned subsidiary, White Fiber Incorporated, has officially filed a Form S-1 registration with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission as it prepares for an initial public offering. This IPO is a major step forward, as White Fiber aims to list its shares on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol WYFI. The offering is being led by B. Riley Securities and Needham & Company, two well-respected financial firms serving as joint bookrunners. Bit Digital's core financials tell the story of a company in transition. It reported trailing 12-month revenue of $102.04 million, which reflects steady growth. However, profitability has not yet arrived. The company posted a net loss of $79.49 million over the past year, with a profit margin of -77.90%. Return on assets is currently -11.70%, and return on equity is -23.29%, all of which show that the company is still in the investment phase, deploying capital to build out its infrastructure and operations. Its diluted earnings per share is -56 cents. Despite the losses, the balance sheet remains relatively strong. Bit Digital holds $57.56 million in total cash and only a modest 3.36% debt-to-equity ratio, which is low and manageable for a company in growth mode. Their levered free cash flow sits at -$105.07 million, which means they're spending aggressively to expand, but with the IPO on the horizon and a clear strategy to move deeper into AI computing, these short-term losses could be well worth it. Wall Street is increasingly bullish. Over the last 3 months, analysts have issued 12-month price targets for BT. The average target stands at $6.17, with a high of $7 and a low of $5.50. That average target implies an 85.84% upside from the current price of $3.32. The high-end target represents a potential gain of over 110%. And these are conservative estimates based on today's metrics. If the White Fiber IPO is well received and the AI business scales quickly, those price targets could prove to be just the beginning. Bit Digital is positioning itself to become a key player in the AI infrastructure space, and early investors could be rewarded as the company's vision materializes. Well, that concludes our list of 2 explosive American penny stocks with massive growth potential: Clover Health and Bit Digital. Both of these companies are backed by strong operational momentum, exciting catalysts, and bullish analyst outlooks. Whether it's Clover transforming healthcare for seniors using AI or Bit Digital powering the next wave of AI computing, these are real businesses with real upside. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with high-growth penny stocks, these 2 names deserve your attention. As always, do your own research and consult with your financial advisor before investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth stock analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.